In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign on Google Ads in 2025. This process is incredibly straightforward, but whether you're new to Google Ads or just need a refresher, we're going to walk through each step together so you can do it easily and efficiently. First, you'll need to go to the Google Ads homepage, which you can find by searching Google Ads in your web browser. This platform is designed to help you get more customers and sell more through online advertising, making it a powerful tool for any business. Once you've navigated to the homepage, the next step is to click on Sign In. You'll find this button quite prominently on the homepage, so don't worry about missing it. Clicking it will prompt you to enter your credentials, so make sure you have those ready. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home screen. This is where all the magic happens, as it's your central hub for managing advertising campaigns. Here, you need to locate the Campaigns tab, which is usually on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on Campaigns will display a list of all the campaigns you're currently running or have run in the past. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's pivotal to managing your Google Ads activity effectively. Next, scroll through your list of campaigns to find the specific campaign you wish to delete. Choosing the right campaign is crucial, as deleting a campaign is permanent and cannot be undone. So, take your time during this step. When you've identified the campaign you wish to remove, simply select it by clicking on it. Now, with your chosen campaign selected, you'll want to look for the Edit option. It's typically located near the top or within a drop-down menu and is quite easy to spot. Once you've clicked on Edit, a new menu or set of options will appear. From these options, click on Remove. This will effectively delete the campaign from your account. Always keep in mind when deleting any campaign to double check that you're removing the correct one. Once a campaign is deleted, all of the associated data and any further activity for that campaign will be lost. So it's crucial to ensure that this is a campaign you no longer need or want before proceeding with deletion. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a campaign from Google Ads. As you can see, the process is straightforward and doesn't require extensive technical know-how. If at any point you feel unsure, you can always revisit these steps or consult the Google Ads Help Center for additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has made managing your Google Ads campaigns a little bit easier. Happy advertising!